Hi, ma'am.
How you doing?
Yes, I'm fine. How are you?
Good. Sorry I'm late. I was
Oh,
doing some other
okay.
stuff.
No problem, ma'am. I respect your time.
Thank you. Thank you. And
Uh,
I know it's early in the morning there.
oh,
So all right, so let's get started. So what do we got?
okay, ma'am. No problem. Thank you very much. I'm really happy to talk with you. Okay, on the Zoom. I'm really excited because I was waiting for you last few minutes, last 10 minutes.
Well, thank you for reminding me.
Okay, ma'am. I thought you don't ready for today. That's why I was nervous. No problem, ma'am. No problem. So, ma'am, I'm a digital marketer. I am working on YouTube promotion from Bangladesh in Asia. Okay, and
Okay.
yes, I am working many channels, and I was found your channel and found some updates and need to optimize your video and your channel promotion because your channel is very beginning time, right? That's why I
Yes.
was sent you a mail and you reply me, right? This,
Yep.
this is the thing. So no problem. If you want, I will help you. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So how can you help me? What can you do to make me get more subscribers and
Yes.
views?
Okay, ma'am. And also, before telling you the details, you just share with me what's your goal actually. What do you want through your YouTube channel? If you have any business, you can tell me. I will explain you the process. Or if you want to just get monetization and also earn revenue from the channel, you can tell me. No problem. Just share with me.
Okay. Okay. So, what I want is I want to get. I just started the channel again about I think 3 weeks ago, maybe or maybe a month. I'm not sure.
Yes.
I do shorts, and I'm noticing that my shorts do get views. As far as my shorts, I'm thinking, okay, people want something that draws their attention. So I try to put a little title on there that will draw their attention in my shorts.
Yes.
I don't get many views at all with my videos that I have up there right now. I think I have maybe 6 or 7 videos. I'm not sure, a little
Yes.
bit more than that. But I want to get more subscribers, of
Yes.
course,
Yes.
and I want to get more views
Yes.
so I can have more watch time. So
Yes.
eventually I can get up to where I am getting revenue
Yes.
from it.
Before getting the revenue from the YouTube, you can launch your business. I mean, you are the coach, right?
Yes.
So
And I do
you
have a website.
yes. So you are the coach. You want to at first bring your subscribers, your targeted audience on your YouTube channel. After that, they will motivated by your speech, by your videos, and ultimately they will convert from your YouTube to your website. And
Yes.
if you will sell any service or anything, they will contacting with you on through your website because you will put your all contact details on your website landing page, right? So if
Yes.
they will think your service needs for them, they will definitely contact with you, right? This is the main thing.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes. Yes,
Okay,
that's
okay,
right.
okay, ma'am. It's possible, but you have to keep patience. You have to make a business plan for your business. Okay, then if we can do everything perfectly and professionally, hope we will get the task as soon as possible.
Okay.
This is the thing.
Okay.
So
So what is your expertise? Like how do you if we do work together,
yes.
then how do you plan on like as far as helping my YouTube channel?
Okay, let me
And
finish the YouTube channel. Then I will share my another plan for you. Cause you
okay.
are going to my client, I will be your employee. It's my
Right.
responsibility to assisting you, right?
Right.
Okay.
Mhm.
So, ma'am, at first you have to upload on your channel the quality content, the informative content, right?
Okay,
This is your
yes.
first thing. After that, it will our responsibility. It will my responsibility to optimize your video. Okay, optimize means you have to optimize your SEO friendly titles to rank your video, SEO friendly and relevant description, the informative description, and also need to keyword research to rank your video first page on YouTube. Okay,
Okay.
keyword research is the best important thing to grow any channel, cause when your related audience will search your related keywords, if you can optimize your channel, they will find your video first page on YouTube. And if after that we have to create a lots of and eye-catchy thumbnail for your business, for your video. If your thumbnail, I mean banner, will eye-catching, they will attracted by your thumbnail. They will definitely click on your channel videos. Okay, and finally they will continue to watch if your content will informative and usable for this. For that, this is called totally one page SEO for the YouTube. And after that, we will share your video link using lots of popular and active social media group like Facebook group, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Quora, Twitter, Instagram, and etc. to create backlinks and also link building for your channel. If we can do that part perfectly, YouTube will choose our channel to index the link on the first page on your video. It will help to rank your video first page on YouTube search. Okay, and yes, and I am using VIDIQ, TubeBuddy, Keyword Planner to research the keyword, and this is the whole strategy. You can trust us, you can trust me, no problem, and you can give me a chance to work with you. And after that, if you want a demographical result, okay, the targeted result on your channel, you can do in future the Google ads to boost your video. Do you have any idea on the Google ads?
Actually, I read up about that. I don't have the Google ads right now. I don't have that right now.
Okay, no problem. But
right now.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. At first, we can do the organic promotion, okay, without any Google ads. After bring some subscribers, the audience, the engagement, we can do the future plan in the Google ads. It will easier. No problem. We can do. And this is totally called the YouTube strategy, my org strategy. Okay, and hope you will be able to get the monetization approval, to fulfill the monetization approval. After that, we will earn revenue. And also, if you have any website, we will add your website link on iCards on the description box. Okay, and all the banner icon. Okay, they will click on your website, they will visit. Do you have any website right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, ma'am, no problem. Okay,
so I have a website that I've created, and it's all created.
Yes.
And I also go there and I do blogs, on there already, which I do because I try to stay consistent with my YouTube, and I go on there. So if someone goes to my website, they already think
this is the ultimate goal here, right? Ma'am, everyone want to grow their YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram, LinkedIn, but their ultimate goal is to get the potential traffic on their main website, right? This is the first thing, and you are not different then, right? You are the same.
Right.
So
that's correct.
Yes, ma'am, I can do the YouTube promotion as well as I can help you to bring your potential customers on your website directly. And I already told you about the Google ads. Google ads have a lots of option. Video boost, I mean YouTube video, Google display campaign, Google awareness campaign, Google search campaign. Okay, and here is lots of campaign. You can set up a Google brand awareness campaign. After that, people will know about your business, know about your brand, know about you in detail. Okay, this is called brand awareness. And I am the expert. If we can run Google ads, I have a plan, I have tricks to track the audience who are visiting on your website. They must, they will must your related customers, okay, your business related customers, and we will be able to track them contact details to their every details. And after finishing the ads, after that we will convert the leads from the sales campaign. This is called sales campaign. Okay, to get the best conversion, I mean best sales. This is called retarget marketing. Okay. And beside this, it's need to Google GFO tracking, Google Analytics tracking, okay, server side tracking. It will help easier to collect your targeted and potential customers contact details. It is very important, for a business. And that's why we have to make a business plan for your channel, for your website, and also as well as your Facebook page, because if Facebook has an option to run campaign. Facebook ads is very important besides Google ads. So I know the Facebook API conversion tracking to sell any product, sell any service. I am the expert, no problem, but we have to make a good relation at first. This is the first thing.
Okay.
Money will come today or tomorrow, right? But if we can make good relation, it will better. And always I believe that quality is better than quantity, right?
Right, that's correct.
Yes. So, ma'am, if you want to give me a chance, you have to keep patience. You have to depend on me. Then I will give you the best from my side. But if you think I need the result at a time, it's impossible for me, ma'am. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, but you have to you have to keep patience. You have to give me a chance. Otherwise, I don't be able to prove myself.
Right. Exactly, and I agree. So definitely, I'm definitely patient because I'm being patient with myself.
Yes.
The one reason, this is something I really want to do. So it's not like it's just, for the monetary aspect, but I do want to gain that also.
Yes, of course, ma'am. Every man's need to get their goal, need to money, but need keep patience. Cause right now your YouTube channel is like a little children or a baby, right?
Right.
We were a baby when we were born, but right now we are growing up, right?
Right.
The YouTube channel is same. You have to invest your time, need to optimize, need to upload video. Your channel will grow and you will get the lots of views, lots of subscribers, but you have to keep patience.
Okay.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes.
Thank you for saying that. That was I appreciate that.
Yes.
I really appreciate that.
And
so let me ask you this. So do I give you a task and then you give me a fee for that task so we can kind of like see how this is going to work?
Ma'am,
and,
yes,
things like
ma'am, I want to suggest you that you don't know me. The Zoom is not enough to give the trust, right?
Okay. Exactly.
Ma'am, so let me share my screen to see you something. You can trust us, you can depend on us. I will help you. I already telling everything. You can find another seller, but they will not be able to explain more as like me, I think. Because I am struggling, I am working hard on this profession, because if I don't work hard properly, I cannot get the success.
Right. Exactly.
So ma'am,
I agree.
So I want to suggest you that to make good relation, you can hire me at first for a test. I mean for 1 week. You can hire me for 1 week to justify my work quality. After finishing 1 week work, if you will think Hasib is okay for you, you can continue with me. If you will think I am not okay for you, you can tell me Hasib you are not appropriate for me. So let's finish.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That sounds fair. Sounds good.
Yes.
That sounds
for
good.
1 week. And
So
after finishing 1 week work.
What is the fee for 1 week?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the fee for 1 week?
Okay. After finishing 1 week work, if you will choose me, then we can contact the monthly basis, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
So
Gotcha.
ma'am, I am working for USA client. They are businessman from $80 to $100 for a week. Okay, because here is lots of work, and yes, lots of work. So you can hire me $70 for the week, first week, and and you can yes. And after that, you can after finishing 1 week work, you can tell me if I am okay for you. Then we can continue also.
That sounds good. It sounds. Let me get me a pen and paper. Let me write some stuff down too. Okay. I like to write stuff down.
Okay, ma'am. No problem. I'm waiting for you.
Okay. Write stuff down. All right. Get it back up here.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Oh Lord.
Ma'am, and for that you just make me your channel manager. I already show you. So I think for the first week you are the fresher. $70. I think is it reasonable for you, or if you can share with me?
No, it is. Yeah, it is.
Okay.
You're absolutely fine. It is.
Yes.
You're putting your time and energy into this.
Yes,
so
ma'am. And you will be happy to know right now my time is 5 a.m. Okay.
I know.
Yes.
I know it's early there. You're
yes.
5.
But ma'am, I didn't get sleep yet the whole night.
Oh, well, you need to get some sleep.
Ma'am,
You can get you some
yes, ma'am.
sleep.
I am working. I already show you many channel. I am working in this channel. They are from the USA, UK. So I am maintaining
Yeah.
your time zone. Okay, I am maintaining your time zone. This
Okay. And then everyone else, you're maintaining their time zones too, right?
yes,
Oh,
yes,
wow.
yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
that's a lot. That is a lot.
So ma'am, just
Okay.
pray for me, ma'am. I want to build my career with this profession. Just pray for me.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes, most definitely. I'm really, like I said, I'm really glad you reached out to me. Because I was like, I don't know. I was like, okay, I know I need this. I was trying to put things into place that I would need if I did get subscribers to go to.
Ma'am,
the
you
channel,
just
to
yes,
get
ma'am.
my
You just
Facebook.
give me a chance. Just see. You will choose definitely. I promise you that. You will always think about the Hasib if I give you the
Right.
good service.
Okay. All right. So let me. So I'm going to be moving this week. So I have a lot of stuff to do. I just got me another place, and I'm moving. All this stuff. Just got a lot to do. But so I'm glad you reached out because I really don't have time to do all that stuff you just said.
Ma'am,
I don't have
ma'am.
time to do
Okay, ma'am. So you don't need to spend your time. You just make me your manager and let's start the work. Then I will assist you. No problem. You don't need to spend your
Okay.
time.
And when I make you a manager, do you have full access or
Ma'am.
partial access? How
Ma'am,
does that work?
no need your login details or password. You just make me your channel manager using my Gmail, only my Gmail.
Okay. Okay.
And when you will think I am not okay for you, you can remove anytime. It's your right.
Right. Okay. I got you.
Yes,
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Yes.
I'm not, you-
and I already show you my
Okay.
portfolio, right?
Yep.
Yes.
All right.
And ma'am, what's your payment method you are using from your country?
So it'll be US dollars, right? I think. I mean,
Yes,
I don't
ma'am.
know.
Payment method. I mean PayPal, Cash App, Venmo,
Oh.
Wise.
Well, I have a Zelle. Do you have Zelle? But I do have Cash App though. I guess I can use it. I don't like to use that much, but I have it.
Okay, Cash App. I am using PayPal. Do you know PayPal?
Yeah, but I don't have that.
Okay.
Do
So
I need to have that? Just
Ma'am,
tell me what options.
ma'am, no problem. Yeah, if you want, I will send you a request, payment request from my Payoneer account. Okay.
Okay.
This is the bank details, and you can submit the. You can add and make the payment from your cards.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay.
Yes.